Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is 2 to the power 24 minus 1 is equal to how much? So student, in this video I will tell you how to simplify this algebraic expression. So my dear student, our given algebraic expression is 2 to the power 24 minus 1. So student, to simplify this algebraic expression, so first of all we have to write in here 2, and in the place of 24 we have to take 12 into 2 minus, again we have to write 1. Okay student. So my dear student, after that we have to apply this formula on this algebraic expression. So we can write in here 2 to the power 12 whole to the power 2 minus 1. So my dear student, after that, so to simplify this algebraic expression, so we have to write both term in square form. Okay, so that's why we have to write in here 2 to the power 12 whole to the power 2 and minus, and in the place of 1 we have to take 1 square. Okay student. So after that, my dear student, we have to apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula we have to apply on this algebraic expression. Okay, so we can write in here 2 to the power 12 plus 1 into 2 to the power 12 minus 1. Okay student. After apply this formula on this algebraic expression, then you can write this type of terms. Okay my dear student, the value of 2 to the power 12 is equal to 4096. So we have to write 4096 in the place of 2 to the power 12. So we can write in here 4096 plus 1 into 4096 minus 1. Okay student. So my dear student, after that if you add 1 with these numbers, then we get 4097. Okay, into, if you subtract 1 from this number, then you get 4095. Okay student. So my dear student, after that we have to write in here, so here is 4097. Okay, so we have to write in the place of 4097 we have to take 4100 minus 3. So in the place of 4097, so we have to take 4100 minus 3. So my dear student, and again we have to write in multiply, and in the place of 4097 we have to take 4100 minus 5. Okay student. So my dear student, to simplify this algebraic expression, so again we have to apply the formula. Okay, x minus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus a plus b into x plus a into b. So this is our formula. Okay, so this formula we have to apply on this algebraic expression. Okay, so student, after apply this formula on this algebraic expression, then we can write from this algebraic expression 4100 whole square. So here is minus, so we have to take minus sign, and so here is a plus b. In the place of a is 3, and in the place of b is 5, and in the place of x is 4100. So that's why we have to write in here 4100 square minus, we have to take first bracket, and inside this bracket we have to take a plus b. That means we have to take 3 plus 5. Okay, 3 plus 5 into 4100 plus a into b. That means we have to write in here 3 into 5. So student, after that, so my dear student, we have to write the square of 4100. Okay, so the square of 4100 is 1681 4 times 0, okay, minus 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 into 4100 plus 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay, student. So my dear student, after that again you have to write 1681 4 times 0. We have to 4 times 0 you have to take minus. So my dear student, if you multiply 8 with 4100, then you get 32,800 plus again you have to take 15. Okay, student. So my dear student, after that, so in this algebraic expression there is two positive number, okay, 15 and this number. Okay, so if you add 15 with this number, then you get 16810015 minus 32800. We have to take again. So my dear student, if you subtract 32,800 from this number, then we get 1677,215. This is our final answer. Okay, student. So my dear student, if you simplify this algebraic expression, then the result will be 1677,215. So my dear student, if you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you.